guys, today I'm going to be sharing a PR haul from the MAC Alexa Demie collection. Hopefully that's how I pronounce her last name, but it features eyeshadows, an eyeliner, 2 brow products, and a mascara, I believe. I'm not sure if this is the full collection. This is what I received, and in this video I'll be sharing with you everything I got. Also, the makeup that I'm wearing is from the collection. If you guys are interested in checking it out, make sure you are subscribed and also have your post notifications on so you don't miss when it goes live. So let's dive right in. I have a little baggie here that all my goodies came in. So the first thing that came in the collection was a Smolder eye coal pencil. As y'all know, this has been with MAC for years. This is not a new product. It is a re-promote. I think that's what they used to call them, and I don't know if they still call it re-promote, but so the collection actually has 36 revamped MAC eyeshadows, 2 new products, the Dazzle Shadow Extreme Shadows, and the Eyebrows Big Boost Fiber Gel. So I don't have the entire collection. I just have a few products from it, which is fine. I just needed to know what all was in the collection so I could tell y'all and not be like, this is the whole collection, because it's not like I thought it was. I have 6 eyeshadows, 2 brow products, an eyeliner, a mascara, and I believe that's it. Yeah, as I mentioned, Smolder is a re-promote, so it's been out for years. And when I say years, I'm talking years. It's been out forever. So this is not a new product. This is your typical black eyeliner, except it's highly pigmented. It's forever been one of my favorite black liners from MAC, other than Feline Coal Power. I think that one might be slightly better than Smolder. Smolder is a great contender as well. I will not be swatching this just because there's swatches everywhere. And also, I have another one already open. I don't want to open this one. Y'all know how I am about opening duplicate products. I don't like doing that. So, just gonna put that off to the side. 2 brow products that I mentioned are the new MAC Fiber Gel, or the MAC Eyebrows Big Boost Fiber Gel. Yes, and both of these eyebrow products, they both have mascara-like wands. I have the one in spiked and one in stud, very similar to the brow pencils that they have. Stud, of course, is darker than spiked, as the pencils are. Okay, so I'm going to show you spiked first. I'm excited to try these. I did not use these today. I totally forgot I had brow products, and I had already done my brows. So the next look I do with this collection, I will use one of these. I'll just show y'all right now, so you can see just how tiny and precise the brush is, and also a color comparison of the 2. So that's what the brush looks like. It's like a mini mascara wand. Both of them are the same, and then I'll show you the color difference. Both of them are pretty natural browns in my opinion. So this is spiked, this is stud. So I say go for spiked if you have a lighter brown, medium brown brow, even dark brown if you want a more natural brow, and then stud if you like that darker brow. I think stud might work for me now. Spiked will work too, I don't know. Because I have darker blue hair, I feel like stud will look better, but can play around with these and see which one works best. And just stay tuned for the look as I mentioned. And you'll see me use one of these. The other product is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. This is in, it doesn't have a color. I'm just gonna assume it's black. I hate to open this, but I want to check out the brush. Ooh, I hate to open it. I'm excited to try this one day. I'll just say that. I hate to open it because I have 3 mascaras open currently. And if I open this, air is going to get in here, it's going to start to dry out, and I don't want that to happen. So you can see brushes, like how the brush looks online, you know, just know that that's a part of the collection. I hear that mascara is awesome. I can't wait to try it. And when I do, I'll be sure to review it for you. Last thing I have from the collection are 6 eyeshadows. As I mentioned, there are plenty more. I think I said 35. So it has quite a bit of eyeshadows in this collection. 36. So yeah, I only have 6, and there are 30 more, so just imagine. So I already done swatches of all of these. I'm just going to reference my camera and the actual color that I have. First color I'm going to share with you from the collection is called Mint Condition. It is a matte texture. It's a matte mint, exactly like the name is. I don't think I have a similar color to this from MAC, so it's pretty unique. That's not to say that they didn't release anything in between when I stopped collecting and now. It's a very unique color. It's highly pigmented. I'm actually wearing it on the center of my lids today. Very creamy and buttery. Color next to that is called Triennial or Triennial. Oh god, I think I pronounced it wrong in the makeup book. It's called Triennial. I just saw an I. Triennial Wave. This is a satin texture. It is a satin blue. Now, it's pretty matte, but it's satin, if that makes sense. Matte, let's see. It's matte in the sense that it doesn't have any shimmer to it, and it's satin in the sense that it's extremely smooth, and it just glides across the skin. I have it across my lower lash line, in this look. But this is like a matte turquoise. I don't think I mentioned that. A matte turquoise. It leans a little more blue though. If you remember Freshwater, I'm not sure if that's permanent still. It used to be. Freshwater was like a shimmery version of this color. So this is the satin version of Freshwater, I would say. Third color I'm going to show you is called Disco Tech or Disco Tech. I think it's Tech though. This is one of the new Dazzle Shadow Extreme textures, and it is definitely extreme. It's like an extreme metallic silver, and I have it on my inner tear duct at the bottom. It's seriously, it's not chunky at all. When you glide your brush across it, at first it seems like it's going to be hard to work with, but as it breaks apart and you apply it, it's like liquid metal. Like without even wetting the brush. Just imagine if you wet the brush. I'm going to try that next time maybe and just compare, but you don't even need to do that because it's that extreme. Fourth color is called Mo Money, Mo Problems. This is a matte khaki. And let me tell you, I would say this is my favorite eyeshadow from MAC that they've ever made. I might be saying that because this is one of my favorite colors ever, khaki or olive in general. But guys, this color, oh my gosh. It doesn't show nearly as well as I wanted to on my lid because of how I applied it, but I plan on applying this probably to the entire top of my eye just so you can see the color next time. But this color, guys, it's amazing. It's swatched so beautifully. It's applied beautifully on the skin. It looks great with my skin tone. I just love it. Fifth color is called Sandstone. This is also a matte texture. This color, it wasn't too exciting to me. It didn't look super unique. It didn't come off super unique to me. It's like a cool brown. I don't really like cool browns to begin with, so that may have something to do with it. But I just wasn't wowed by this color. But I am glad I received this color because it works great as a buffer shade. It's just not the first choice I would grab. I prefer more warm buffer shades, but you know, this one's pretty decent. If you like cooler shades, I would say it's pretty decent. Last color from the collection is called Cozy Gray. It's a matte light gray. It's like a taupey gray. It's beautiful. It's a matte texture as well. Super buttery, super smooth. I attempted to apply as a brown highlight, but it's definitely gray. At first glance, it looks beige in the pan, but it applies gray, so it's definitely a gray. So yeah. Sorry, I'm nosy. I like to see what's going on. Just saying. But yeah, nice range of colors, nice mix of neutrals. So glad they sent me mostly mattes because mattes are my jam. Yeah, I mean, very impressive collection. Nice range of colors. For the most part, I love all the colors except that one shade, the Sandstone. That didn't really wow me, but the others definitely great. As far as the brow products, I can't tell you how those are yet because I haven't tried them, but it seems like a very nice product. Colored brow gel will be my first time experimenting with anything like that, so I'm excited to see how they work. You just have to stay tuned for the tutorial on those, and also reviewing my mascara when I decide to open it. If you guys would like to see still swatches, check out my blog. I'll have them on TheBeautyBeau.com. Direct link below the video. Subscribe if you haven't to my channel. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss anything I upload, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.